T-Hobby, thank you so much for supporting Sloss Drone Derby. Look at all these awesome prizes. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. We're really stoked. And check it out. We'll start with these. These are the F60s. If you don't know about these motors, you've been living under a rock. I flew these motors almost exclusively for 3 years. Flew the V4s and the V5s. 1750 kV is my favorite. These are 1950s. The motor size is 2207 and a half. I really like the slightly oversized stator. It just helps with temperature and heat. They are titanium shafts, really thick and super nicely wound coils. Look at that, how clean it is. Even have the grips here to hold your props on and keep them from slipping. It will dig in and eventually slip, but really love these motors. And best of all, T-Hobby has set up a US warehouse, so we're going to be able to get these again, and I'm stoked. I'm planning on bringing them right back to the shop. Then we've got a stack here. This is the Velox F7 SE and the V50 amp. These are great, solid. I've run the V50 amp for years, rock solid. Really great stuff, perfect for your 5-inch quads. And then this one, I haven't played with this setup yet. This is the 8S F7 SE and the 70 amp SE. This is a big boy. I'm stoked. I think we're going to probably give this to one of the Pro Spec racers. I think that can handle what they're doing over there. And then for the whoops, what do we got? We got these 802s. They're 22,000 kV, a nice blue color. Gorgeous little motors, blue props to match. Thank you so much, T-Hobby. We really appreciate y'all supporting us again and again, this time with Sloss Drone Derby. Thank you so much, T-Hobby. And looking forward to checking out that new warehouse. If you haven't yet, get your tickets, slossdronederby.org. It is April 4th and 5th in Birmingham, Alabama. And we're sponsored by T-Hobby.